LaptopKeyboard.com, your source for replacement laptop keyboards. Notice, the keyboard installation procedure is different for every laptop model. At LaptopKeyboard.com, we have created a searchable database of keyboard installation guides. Our database will allow you to find the exact installation guide for your laptop keyboard. Simply go to LaptopKeyboard.com, click on the Installation Guides link, select your laptop brand, series, and model, and you'll be taken to the custom video guide for your laptop. That's all. You're now ready to install your laptop keyboard. Turn the laptop over. Remove the laptop battery. Turn the laptop over and open it up. Take something thin and gently pry out the keyboard. Lift up gently to turn your keyboard over. Slide the flap upwards to disconnect your keyboard. We will now install your new replacement keyboard. Align your keyboard by looking at the grooves on the bottom of your keyboard. This is what the keyboard looks like. LaptopKeyboard.com, your source for replacement laptop keyboards.